Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Klarna on TikTok Shop. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok official account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is to be sure that you have connected or linked to TikTok Shop to your official account. How do you do that? Launch your TikTok Shop if you're using the website application. Check the top right corner of your screen and click on the Account tab. Click on My Account and click on Linked Account. Now follow through the on-screen instructions to link your TikTok Shop account to your official account. Once you're sure that the process has been successful, go ahead and launch your official account. Check the bottom of your screen, bottom left corner. You're going to find the shop icon. Now, once you see the shop icon, go ahead and click on the shop icon. It's going to take you to the shop where you're going to see a wide array of products that you can buy. Select the product that you want to buy. Add to cart. Confirm the variation, and that's going to take you right into the next page where you're going to have to add to cart again. And the next window is a checkout window where you can now confirm all the details and proceed to make payment. Now, in the checkout page, you're going to see a couple of payment methods, and one of them you're going to find is the payment method that you've added, the existing payment that you've added. It could be the bank, or that's the credit or debit card payment method, and you're going to see another option that says Klarna. So pay with Klarna. So go ahead and click on Klarna, and once you click on Klarna, follow through the on-screen prompts to connect Klarna to your TikTok Shop. That way you'll be able to pay with Klarna and not your bank account or your credit or your debit card. That way you'll be able to pay with Klarna. Now, if you don't find the Klarna icon, which is you're most unlikely to find, there where you have the credit and debit card option to impute, go ahead and click on that. And you will have to copy your Klarna card details. So launch your Klarna and copy the Klarna card details. That's your PIN, your CVV, and your security code, whatever card details. So once you get to that checkout page and you click on the credit card option, go ahead and add or paste your Klarna credit card or debit card details in there instead of your normal or your usual bank details. Fill out your Klarna credit card details there and proceed to pay. From there, your Klarna balance will be deducted instead of your bank account balance. So that's pretty much it. If you don't find the Klarna icon, which you're most unlikely to find, go ahead and enter your Klarna card details and proceed to pay. So that's pretty much how you can use Klarna on TikTok Shop. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.